Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Token Levels. Today let's discuss market outlook for next week. That is from 9/5/2021 to 16/5/2021. So what we are going to discuss today is market trend for next week, support and resistance level of Bank Nifty and Nifty 50, Nifty IT trend and Nifty Pharma trend. Okay, so to discuss these things, I am taking you to my charts that I already did some homework. So if we look at Nifty 50 chart, so Nifty 50 chart is in a downtrend. Nifty 50 chart is making some higher lows. Okay, so it's Nifty 50 is in downtrend. But for the next week, what are gonna be our important levels? Okay, so what gonna be our important levels are, like if we see here, Nifty is reversing from these 2 points. Okay, from the area shaded in green. Nifty is reversing from these 2 points. So what we are gonna do also, if we look at the upper trend line, so Nifty is facing resistance from that point, that is around 15,000. Okay, so for the next week, what I am seeing is the market trend would range between these two levels. Okay, the levels are uh, the levels are 15,050 to 14,420. Okay, so Nifty will consolidate between these two levels. If it gave a super bullish momentum and breaks out, then what I am saying that Nifty will, on upper side, Nifty will face resistance near to 15,300 to 15,350. Okay, and if it down break down for 14,420, then it can fall towards 14,149. Okay, so if we look at the structure it is forming from 22, if you look at the chart from taking a low on 22 April, Nifty is now forming higher highs. Okay, Nifty is now forming higher highs. So there is a possibility that Nifty might break out. So at this point of time, I suggest you to remain bullish for next week till it trades above 14,700 range. Okay, so what are our important level? 14,700 and 719. So if it trades above this level, then we have to remain bullish on Nifty. Okay, so if we check this, like these numbers are with derivative data too. If we go on derivative front of the Nifty, 14,800 level are at the money. If you look at highest change in open interest on coal side, then we can see that highest change in open interest is at 15,200. So 15,200 will gonna act a strong resistance for Nifty, but below that there is a change, highest change is at 7,000, and at level of 15,000, 14,900, and highest open interest buildup is at 15,200 and 32,891. So on upside, so Nifty is going to face resistance at 15,000, then 15,200. Okay, or if we talk about spot levels, so if you look at the spot levels, highest open interest change is at 14,800 level. So this point, 14,800 level for the next week will gonna act as a strong support for the Nifty. Below that we have spot at 14,500, then at 14,000 levels. Okay. Now if you talk about Bank Nifty, in Bank Nifty chart, here also, if we look at the 50 days moving average, the stock is facing resistance at 32,904 levels. Okay, so this is the point where stock is facing resistance. So on upside, the stock might again face resistance at 13,904 level, or at or resistance at 50 days moving average. Okay, that is 33,678. Okay, if you talk about range of Bank Nifty, the range of Bank Nifty would be 32,000 on lower side, and on upper side 34,317. If in case it break the range of lower side, then it will have support at 30,266 to 30,000. And if we break out on upper side, then there might be possibility then it can inch higher towards 36,000 to 37,000. Okay, and now if we talk about uh, derivative data of Bank Nifty, then here we can see that 32,900 is at the money option. Okay, so here we are seeing that on call side, highest open interest change is at 18,660. This will be the resistance point for upcoming week for Bank Nifty. Okay, and there are also highest open interest area is that. So breaking out 33,000 will give a very bullish move, or if it sustains above 33,000 for a longer period of time in next week, then we might see higher levels towards 33,500. Okay, as these call riders will exercise their position. Okay, or if you talk about sport, so highest change in open interest is at 32,500. That will act as strong support. After that, 32,000 will act as a strong support for Bank Nifty. Okay, and if we talk about IT sector, so IT sector is actually, if we look out weekly charts of IT, then we can see that IT sector is forming a flag-like structure. Okay, and in the previous week, it gave a wild moment. Okay, wild bullish movement overall IT sector. Okay, so what I am seeing in this, the stock might, the index might move in that particular pattern. But for if we see 2 hour chart of of Nifty IT, then what we are seeing is that it might trade in a range of 26,550 to 25,398. Breakout above or below any level can give a wild movement towards, if it gives a breakout above 27,602, sorry, breakout above 26,600, then it might uh, break out about 26,550, then it will give breakout and head towards 27,600 left. Okay, and what if it gives a breakdown? Okay, first of all, it is in strong support area for Bank Nifty IT. Okay, if it break down, then we have support at 24,968. Okay, then at 24,310. Okay, so these are the support and resistance level of Nifty IT. Okay, the pattern that Nifty IT is forming, if you look on 30 minutes chart, it is again forming a flag and pole like structure here too. So Nifty IT might move in upward direction. Keep eye on Nifty IT stocks too. So if you talk about pharma sector, so this is the weekly chart of pharma sector. Okay, so if we look at the chart pattern, it's for in weekly fund from 2015 to now. Nifty Pharma is in a range of 6,500 to 15,000. Okay, so there isn't any wild move in last 6 years in Nifty Pharma. So this is the consolidation phase that it faces. So, but in last 6 years, the Nifty Pharma is forming a cuff and handle like pattern. Okay, so this pattern is called cuff and handle like pattern. So if you look at this chart, here we are seeing that it is very close to break out all-time high level of 14,000. So it might break out in next week or might take one more week after that. So Nifty Pharma is in strong momentum. So we have to keep eye on Nifty Pharma stocks too. Okay. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you guys.